Okay, so obviously I took the motor out, we disassembled everything off the short block. We're here at the short block. Now we can check out which connecting rod has the issue. All right, let's start with cylinder 1. And sounds pretty good, nice and tight. Go into cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 3. All right, and here's cylinder 4. Nice, good knock right there. Here's a better look at cylinder number 4 connecting rod. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is go ahead and get the pistons removed, and then we'll split the case.